Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Stonks token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Stonks is a meme coin that aims to actually achieve something within the DeFi space. As more DeFi incentives roll out each day, tracking on DeFi assets has become a necessity. These DeFi services often aims mass adoption, but commentary platform tracking applications contradict this. These applications are often difficult to use and do not provide a positive user experience for inexperienced people. They try to make the space more accessible by proposing a robust and intuitive portfolio tracker. Definance is additional with popularizing the coin and thereby the Solana ecosystem. They try to encourage future developers to launch their innovative ideas on the Solana ecosystem. Stonks is the first ever meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Stonks token total supply is around 581,000 and circulating supply is also 581,000. STNK token. STNK token is listed on Radium, BVOX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.